Hello guys and welcome to my journey exposing myself to metal music. For those of you that haven't seen me before, I have this project exposing myself to metal music, which is a genre I haven't been listening to before. And you can go to my channel and find all my videos there. And this has really been a life-changing journey for me to listen to music that I never thought I could listen to. And today I'll bring something new to the table because the band I'm going to listen to today is established in 2016 and their first album released in 2019. And this is a Mongolian band called The Who. Not The Who, but The Who. H-U. And the song I'm going to listen to is called Wolf Totem, and it's from their record called the Gereg from 2019. And like I said, it's a Mongolian band, and they use traditional Mongolian instruments and throat singing in their music. And that's exciting. I haven't heard that before. And the word Hunu, they called their music Hunu rock. And that is from an old Mongolian empire. And the word Hu is a Mongolian root word for human. So this is really exciting. I've tried a lot of different styles in metal. What I found out is that metal is not just metal, it's a lot of different things. And this will add something new into the mix, I will think. So a lot of you guys that have seen me before, I think this will be something new for many of you, maybe, not only me. So let's just start the party and plug this in. And let's just reach out here and press play. Oh, it was the intro, a logo. Okay, here we go. The Who band. Very cinematic. Oh. They're really mixing the modern and the traditional. Oh. just need to take a pause there because this was so beautiful and interesting with this music instrument, and when they started to sing like that, like a tribe, and it was hypnotic and like no, I just like this. Oh, it happening again. When I get excited or it's a lot of impressions, sometimes my head's just uh, I lose the words. So I might get them back again. I hope so, so I can say something to you. But it usually is a very good sign because it's so much things to take in, and I like this. It's really good start. This feeling of this tribe, and I remember I went to a concert again with a folk artist here in Norway called Mari Boine, and she was having some kind of something called yoik, and the musician was so good, so it felt like the roof was lifting, and God and Allah and all the forces in the universe were just there. So I think that this, if I've been there together with them, the same thing would happen. You know, you get into some kind of trance-like state, because this is magical. It's magical music. So want to listen to more, and let's press play. It's a beautiful made video. There's the throat singing. Wow. Wow. I really got hypnotized by this. And I don't know why I was starting to cry, but like I said, this was magic. And it was something, I don't know, but it was something about, like I found out with the metal community as well, this men gathering together and standing together and making those sounds and sing together. It's a community and it's something. I'm not sure what they're trying to say or what's this about, but you can feel their passion and their heart in some kind of way, and maybe that was the thing that moves me, and also that to get this mix of the nature and the modern world, but they bring this traditional music instruments and the old way of seeing maybe the nature and everything around us, something like that, that makes it hypnotizing and magical. And I had some goosebumps and I started to sweat. I'm not sure if it's the sun here or if it was the Who, but I think this was a great experience for me, and it was really something new. Um, and I just love that they put this folk music into this, because I think that was just beautiful. And I didn't think that I could think that throat singing was something. I th- I thought, I have to admit that I was thinking that that must be something really annoying, but here it was natural. It was natural. It was a part of the magic. Now, this was great. I just love this. And that means that because this is my 17th video on my second season on my metal journey, because I just realized that I haven't made video number 17, so I had to do that. That completes the second season, and I'm so excited for the third one coming soon. And it's so much more to explore, but I need your help, and I want you to join me as well. And I'm also making some other videos with other kind of music that I haven't been listening to before, so please join me on that as well, because I think it's a wonderful thing to expose yourself to music you thought you never could listen to. And sometimes you just confirm that this is not for me, but if you try to be open, you might find something interesting there as well. And I will hold your hand mentally, so don't be afraid. Expose yourself to other things than just your favorite band or favorite bands. Try everything and come join me. So, yes, for the third season, I'm eager to hear from you. Uh, if there are some bands I need to check out, um, yes, please help me with that. So, I think this was it for today. It was a lovely experience for me. And until next time, dear friends, rock on and stay strong. Namaste.